As all earthen vessels made by the potter end in being broken, so is the life of mortals. Means when any vessel or any, we can say, the pot is there which is made by earth. Earth means the soil, okay, baked soil. So one day that will be broken. We can't keep it with care forever in our life, okay, it will be broken one day. So our life is like that only. We all are mortals. Mortals means one day we all will be, uh, our condition will be like earthen pots only. Like earthen pots will be broken one day, we will also die one day, okay. Both young and adult, both these who are, those who are fools and those who are wise, all fall into the power of death. All are subject to death. Means whether anybody is fool or wise, whether anyone is a king or a slave, rich or a poor, everybody is subjected to death. Means everybody will die one day. Nobody can save anybody from death, okay. Of those who overcome by death depart from life, a father cannot save his son, nor kinsman their relation. Kinsman means relatives. Relatives by blood, we can say, means our real brother, sister, our father, mother, okay. So we can't save anybody. Mark means keep in mind, don't forget. While relatives are looking on and lamenting deeply, lamenting means crying over any, we can say, sorrow, one by one mortals are carried off like an ox is that is led to a slaughter. Means for example, one animal is there that is taken anybody to be killed, okay. So for example, any kind of animal is there, like goat is there, we take the goat to the butcher who kills it with knife and all, okay. So like any animal is taken to be killed, we'll also go, we are also just proceeding to death as we grow and grow, okay. So the world is afflicted with death and decay. Afflicted means affected by death and decay. Therefore the wise do not grieve and knowing the terms of the world. Means our life is like that only. This is a principle or basic rule of life. Whosoever is born, he or she will die one day, okay. And who will understand this, who will understand this truth, he will never feel any kind of grief or sorrow. Nor from weeping, nor from grieving will anyone obtain peace of mind. On the contrary, contrary means opposite, his pain will be the greater and his body will suffer. He will make himself sick and pale, yet the dead are not saved by his lamentation. Meaning is that if we will cry over the death of any relative, anybody in our life, okay, by crying nobody will come back, okay. We'll never get a peace of mind. Instead will be suffered, okay. Will, we can say, become weak and pale. He who seeks peace would draw out of arrow of lamentation and complaint and grief. He who has drawn out the arrow and has become composed will obtain peace of mind. Means the person who has understood this truth, that nobody will come back by crying, okay. He will, by understanding this truth only, we can get peace of mind and we can overcome our sorrow and will be blessed.